Usually 1 + 1 = 2. But every so often something special happens and 1 + 1 gives you a lot more than you bargained for. Watch what happens when you pair the Interaction Center platform with Salesforce. This is an interaction. It's a data object that can be almost any type of communication. For now, let's follow a voice call, an email, and a web chat. Interactions come to your organization through an IVR. This is Interaction Attendant. It's a graphic interface that lets you build and control your IVR with tools for things like database operations, communicating with web services, and even custom programming. As objects follow your menu structure, you can see if the caller is already a customer, pull up a list of their existing cases, and then present them with options based on what you find. Once the caller decides what action to take, we'll use the information attached to the interaction to route them to the correct workgroup queue. Your IVR takes the caller's input, as well as any collected information, and uses ACD logic to route each interaction to the correct workgroup. Now that we've found our workgroup, let's find the perfect agent to handle this interaction. We're going to scan the members of the queue based on their current status, their levels of skill, what language they may speak, and who's free to help. There they are. Here's where the Salesforce interface comes into play. Since we have open communication between the systems, Interaction Center can be configured to pop any Salesforce page based on any piece of data. Even better, your agents can receive the interaction directly from the Salesforce window. You can see here that we've incorporated our robust status system into the embedded softphone, but that's just the beginning. We've also added a long list of advanced call control features, things like on-demand recording, conference calling, and transferring capabilities make this so much more than your average user interface. If you prefer Salesforce's new Service Console, we're in there too. What? You don't see it? Bottom right corner. Yeah, there it is. Same features, different look and feel. When the interaction ends, we'll instantly write the record of it into Salesforce as an activity, so you always have an up-to-the-minute account of your customer's history. Everything we talked about so far will also work in an outbound dialing environment. That means you can create a call list using contact names and numbers stored in your Salesforce database, send them over the interaction dialer, configure an outbound campaign, and let the magic happen. If you're a Salesforce customer, you really should take a minute to visit our website, drop us an email, or if you happen to be in the neighbourhood, stop in and say hi.